Okay, let's just jump right in. What if I told you that completely changing your financial life has less to do with being a math genius and everything to do with having a clear step-by-step plan? Well, today we're going to follow that exact story, a 90-day journey from financial stress to total success. First things first, let's meet our hero, Sam. And, if we're being totally honest, Sam is probably a lot like most of us. He feels completely overwhelmed, like his money is in the driver's seat and he's just along for the bumpy ride. He's got bills and credit card payments just flying all around him. He's got zero plan, just a whole lot of anxiety. So, let me ask you, does that feel familiar at all? The good news is, you are definitely not alone. This feeling is incredibly common. But the 90-day plan we're about to walk through is like the ultimate hero's journey for taking back control. This is the story of how Sam, and maybe you too, can finally grab the steering wheel. All right, Act 1, the wake-up call. Because you can't get to where you're going if you don't even know where you are on the map, right? For Sam, this means it's time to get brutally, uncomfortably honest about where his money has actually been going. So, week 1 is absolutely mission critical. Sam's going to put on his CEO hat for Sam Incorporated. He pulls up the last 3 months of all his bank and credit card statements. He's treating his own finances like a business, analyzing the revenue, that's his income, and all the expenses. No more guessing, it's time for hard data. Now, he sorts every single dollar into 3 really simple buckets. First, the fixed stuff, the have-to-pays, like his rent. Second, the discretionary spending, his wants, like eating out. And third, his debt payments. This, for the first time ever, gives him this crystal clear picture of what's really happening. With the full picture laid out right in front of him, Sam is ready for his first big test. It's time to cut through all the noise and find that low-hanging fruit, the easiest wins that are going to make the biggest difference fast. And the goal for week 2 is super simple and, honestly, totally doable. Can Sam reduce his overall spending by just 10 to 30%? We're not talking about a crazy life overhaul here. Just a strategic trim over the next couple of months. And boom, this table just lays it all out. Sure, rent's the big one, no surprise there. But look at this. Eating out, shopping, and Ubers. That adds up to almost $1,000 a month. This is exactly where he can start to make a change. And there it is, the big aha moment. $225 every single month on Ubers. It's not even his biggest expense, but it's this huge, surprising number for something he never really paid attention to. He just never realized how much those little conveniences were adding up. And just like that, a light bulb goes off. This one little insight is so empowering. I mean, if he can save over $200 just by walking a bit more, where else can he trim? Finding a total of $400 a month to save suddenly seems easy. And that's not just $400. That's almost $5,000 a year. That is a total game changer. Okay, so let's move into Act 2. Sam has found some savings, which is great, but relying on pure willpower day in and day out, that's just a recipe for burnout. So now he's going to build a system that works for him, putting his success on autopilot. The heart of this entire system is an idea you've probably heard before because it just works. Pay yourself first. This means money for your goals gets tucked away before you even have a chance to think about spending it on something else. It's so simple, but it is profoundly effective. And here's his little automation machine in action. His paycheck lands in his account. Immediately, before he can even open his banking app, these rules he already set up kick in. A piece goes to savings, another piece goes to investments, all before he touches a single dime. This is, hands down, one of the most powerful things you can do to build wealth without even thinking about it. But there's another monster in this story that Sam has to deal with. High-interest debt. We're talking about that heavy, soul-crushing credit card debt that can hold anyone back. So how does he tackle this thing? This is so incredibly powerful. Making only the minimum payment, it's like trying to break down a giant boulder with a tiny little hammer. But adding just an extra $75 a month, that's like bringing in a jackhammer. For Sam, it literally shaves 8 months off his payments and saves him a ton in interest. A tiny change with a massive impact. All right, next up is a massive psychological victory, hitting that first $1,000 emergency fund goal.
Why is this such a big deal? Because stats show that a majority of Americans can't cover a surprise $1,000 expense. Crossing that four-digit finish line gives Sam this feeling of security, this peace of mind he hasn't felt in a long, long time.
With that safety net now in place, that cushion, Sam can finally switch from playing defense to playing offense. He's ready to look toward the future and start planting the seeds of actual long-term wealth through investing. And if you look back at history, the data doesn't lie. As you can see here, over the last 100 years, stocks have consistently delivered the best average returns compared to other things. For long-term growth, it's simply the most powerful tool you have. Now, this is where it gets really exciting. Sam starts funneling his automated savings into a simple S&P 500 index fund. And this table, well, this is where the magic happens. Even just a few $100s a month, invested consistently, can grow into a massive sum. And look at that, $1,000 a month turns into almost $1.5 million. It's incredible. Okay, we are in the final act of Sam's 90-day transformation. His system is built, it's running smoothly. Now it's time to look beyond the immediate wins and start aiming for those bigger, life-changing stretch goals. And this right here, this is basically his new playbook for success. He's focused on growth, earning more, tracking his net worth, and actually writing down his goals, which, by the way, studies show makes you way more likely to achieve them. Then he schedules quarterly check-ins with himself just to stay on track. And this timeline is what makes those huge dreams feel real. By breaking them down into milestones, massive goals like buying a house or hitting a $250,000 net worth aren't just fantasies anymore. He has a real roadmap to follow. And look at him now. The journey's end is really just a new beginning. Sam is no longer that stressed out guy drowning in bills. He's in control, he's relaxed, and he's literally watching the seeds he planted just 90 days ago grow into a real money tree. He's the master of his own financial destiny. So, Sam did it. He followed the plan and wrote a brand new story for himself. And now, really, there's only one question left. What's your 90-day story going to be?